In this video, we'll know the best way to calculate mode in Excel using the mode function. Single mode function. Enter each number in the dataset into its own cell. Enter function in the cell. Mode single will only display one mode for a group of numbers. Calculate and display the result. Multiple mode function. Enter function in the cell. This is useful if you have a dataset with more than one mode. It will create a column listing all the modes in the selected data range. If you'd rather view the modes as a horizontal array, rewrite the formula as follows. Hit Enter to display the modes.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.